Yeah, she's leaking a little bit. Going up. That's all that was left in it after it leaked out all weekend. There's a little drop. Baby. The clouds in the background are looking all majestic and whatnot. Sucks that it's on a flatbed, but you know, when you drive on California roads, you know, and it's all uneven and you just hit a dip in the road and it destroys your oil pan, you know? Not fun. And because it's a 502 big block, they gotta pull the engine to get the oil pan off. So here for 5 minutes watching this dude just go forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. It's like, bro, where's your bars? You're driving a fucking 18-wheeler. Like, I could have probably backed that shit in. Like, what the hell? The GTX? Thing's sick. The Z28 over there. My car. Old Caddy. Bunch of cool shit. Always cool shit at the shop. Look at the green on that. 72, the 69. Sheesh. And then my baby getting dropped off. Impala. All original. This thing's incredible. This thing is so nice. Oh my god. Betty, have you seen all these cool rides? Honestly, my favorite is like this off-white / cream Roadrunner GTX. That is sweet.